Affiliate marketing confusing you. Top tips that can help. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money from home. It can be a nice part-time job, or even become your primary source of income. This video contains several quick and easy tips that will surely make your site a success. Apply these tips to noticeably increase profits from your affiliate programs. Providing a forum for your website's users can be a lot of work, but it can also provide a lot of benefits. A space where your customers can talk to each other and to you directly will give you valuable feedback on what they do and don't like about your website. You can use this information to improve the services and products you offer. When doing affiliate marketing, you automatically think of adding numerous banners to your site, but actually you should try to refrain from doing that. If you seem to have tons of banners stuffed into your website, it looks pretty ugly and makes people not interested in visiting your site again. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your sites so that your current customers can check out your new venture. If you're just starting affiliate marketing, you might not know where to begin or what choices to make. Earning money through affiliate marketing can be rewarding, but it takes effort, time, and patience. If you are persistent in trying to improve your site, you'll definitely see a difference. Apply these simple tips to start increasing profits through affiliate marketing. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.